So that was our sick ride here. And we're finally in the car. Gonna go to our hotel. I cannot believe this last few days has been unbelievable. Well, we're making coffee, getting ready for our stay. This is our new home. Yes, please. This is our home for however long, until we can go back home. This is where we will be. So it has a nice view. In situations like this, when you have to evacuate your home and you don't know when you can come back, you have to stay positive, always. Look at this bad boy. So these are the streets. So amazing here. These tall buildings. It's pretty cool here. This is definitely one of my new favorite places on earth. We're here. Good Life Fitness, 24-hour. Let's go. Here we are. I heard this is somewhere you need to go when you come to Canada, so here goes. What are we going to get? Oh my gosh. And we got a bagel and another coffee for this guy out here. I'm sure he'll appreciate it, right, Mom? I hope so. We are done with our gym day and lunch and coffee. Now we are going to get ourselves together, go to the pool, a hot tub, maybe take some pictures for Instagram, and we'll show you the behind the scenes for that. Behind the scenes. This amazingness breakfast of champs. It does have feta cheese on there, as you can see, but I'm gonna take that off. Amazing.
We're done. I'm okay.
Say hello.
I'm done.
We're gonna have a dance party, right? Right, Mom?
No.
Yes.
No dance parties.
Yes.
4 a.m.
I'm going to bed, you guys. I'm too tired for this. I'm too done.
And you guys, my eyes,
Like literally, I'm tearing.
I can't handle it. Y'all are used to this. I'm out.
Wow.
I love you both.
Wow. You already know I had to order myself a drink.
Hey, cheers, huh?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
To life.
More life.
More life. Lyrics. Listen to them. Yes, Kanye did it.
We're doing facials. I have been eating so terrible while traveling, you guys. My face is on a new level, so today I got some like magical serum that I put on. My face is shiny, as you can see, and it's red. So we'll see how this works. She's about to come through soon with some more magic potion, because this shit has me all the way up. What do you want? Oh, it's the skin fairy! It's the skin fairy! What did you get for us?
Well, don't mind my top.
Oh.
Things got crazy, so I had to make a makeshift cap
Oh.
with the OVO sticker. But anyway, here's a concoction that my friend Lauren Young London made. It's a serum and it's magical. Wait, come on, focus. There we go. There you go. Magical. So we'll see how this goes. The concoction. Pretty toes and fingers.
Pretty! We got our nails and toes. I'm about to hit the streets of Toronto. Just want to show you my cute outfit. This is vintage Adidas from Frankie Collective, I think. And these shoes. Vans. Cute! Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this is amazing! Here we have, come closer, come closer, come closer. Here we have the North American lobster. Where is he? There he is. This guy right here. Lobster. Don't eat lobster. Don't eat them. Fish are friends, not food. Sad. How cool is it? I know. Why have you shown me?